Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Everything is like, there's two of everything, but other than that, everything's fine.
Okay. How's your pain?
It's really numb
Good.
at all.
We like really numb. Feel like you're gonna throw up at all?
Nope.
Okay.
Looking for Purell and Centrum. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is it soft? Is that why you're touching it? You're doing a good job.
Did this go on
Hayır
more than 15 seconds?
Nej.
Oh. Well, if it did, put it on Instagram.
Okay.